Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Your SIM must be Geo 5G active and your handset 5G capable. Check the OS and carrier profile are up to date. These updates enable band support. Next, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force a fresh network registration. Once done, make sure your network mode is set to 5G/4G auto in settings so the phone can pick the best band. This speeds reconnection and avoids manual band conflicts. Now dig into configuration. Go to mobile network settings, and if automatic selection fails, choose Geo 5G manually. This forces registration on correct MCC/MNC. Reset APN to Geo defaults to restore data routing. Incorrect APNs block service. If your phone supports it, clear network cache and reset network settings. That removes stale profiles. You should also test the SIM in a different 5G handset to determine if the problem is SIM, device, or network-related before contact. Finish by gathering evidence. Note IMEI and SIM ICSID, record times and locations when 5G fails, and enable any phone diagnostic logs. Then contact Geo support and request a SIM provisioning check and local cell site status. Technicians can push profile updates or confirm tower issues. If you still face problems, ask for replacement 5G SIM. Older SIMs sometimes lack correct provisioning. One tip: if service is intermittent, keep diagnostics running so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.